Today I am reviewing the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is a powerful desktop processor that's built specifically for gamers, creators, and anyone looking to get high performance from a mid-range CPU. Part of AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, the Ryzen 5 9600X packs 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a strong choice for multitasking, gaming, and productivity applications. It's also unlocked, which means enthusiasts can push its performance even further through overclocking if paired with the right cooling solution. Let's start with gaming performance. The Ryzen 5 9600X is designed to deliver smooth, high frame rate gameplay in the world's most popular games. With its 6 cores and 12 threads, it can easily handle demanding titles without bottlenecking your graphics card. Gamers can expect to achieve 100 FPS or higher in many esports and AAA games when paired with a capable GPU, making it an excellent choice for competitive gaming. Whether you're streaming, recording, or playing at high refresh rates, this processor is ready for the job. Clock speeds are another highlight of this processor. The Ryzen 5 9600X comes with a base clock suitable for most workloads, but can boost up to 5.4 GHz under the right conditions. This high boost frequency helps applications run quickly and responsively, whether you're gaming, editing video, rendering images, or running multiple programs at once. And because the chip is unlocked, you have the flexibility to manually tweak clocks and voltages to get even more performance if you're comfortable with overclocking. Cache size is another factor that helps performance, and the Ryzen 5 9600X comes with 38 megabytes of combined cache, which allows for faster data access and improved efficiency in both gaming and productivity tasks. This ensures that even when multiple applications are running or games are demanding more resources, the CPU can keep up without slowing down. Memory support is also impressive. This processor supports DDR5 memory at speeds up to 5,600 metric tons per second, which means it can take full advantage of the latest high-speed RAM modules for faster performance and smoother multitasking. With DDR5, applications load quicker, games are more responsive, and overall system efficiency improves significantly. This is particularly useful for content creators, streamers, and anyone who likes to run multiple programs simultaneously. The Ryzen 5 9600X uses AMD's socket AM5 platform, which supports modern technologies like PCIe 5.0 on compatible motherboards. PCIe 5.0 allows next-generation graphics cards and high-speed storage solutions to communicate with the CPU faster, future-proofing your build for years to come. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, the AM5 platform ensures compatibility with the latest components and technologies. It's important to note that this processor does not include a cooler, which means you'll need a reliable aftermarket CPU cooler to keep temperatures under control, especially if you plan to overclock. Choosing a good cooling solution is essential to maintain optimal performance and longevity of the processor. But the upside of this approach is that it gives you flexibility. You can pair the CPU with an air cooler, a high-end tower cooler, or even an all-in-one liquid cooler, depending on your budget and needs. In terms of design and efficiency, the Ryzen 5 9600X continues AMD's focus on delivering strong performance while keeping power consumption reasonable. Zen 5 architecture is built for both speed and efficiency, which means you get excellent performance per watt and lower heat generation compared to previous generations. This balance is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a high-performing CPU without running into excessive heat or energy usage. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is a standout choice for anyone looking for a high-performance mid-range CPU. It offers 6 powerful cores, 12 threads, high boost clocks, DDR5 memory support, and PCIe 5.0 compatibility, all of which combine to deliver exceptional gaming and productivity performance. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or just upgrading your desktop, the Ryzen 5 9600X provides a reliable and future-proof foundation for a high-performing system. In conclusion, if you want a processor that's ready for today's most popular games, multitasking workloads, and next-generation hardware, the Ryzen 5 9600X is a compelling option. With unlocked overclocking, modern architecture, and strong gaming credentials, it delivers both performance and flexibility for enthusiasts and everyday users alike.